Alright guys, check this out. You're looking at a 10 top and 10 bottom teeth custom fitted teeth grill set. This is 10K solid gold with diamond dust and the yellow border around it. It's a two-tone effect. Check that out. Beautiful grills. You can get this in other combinations as well. Doesn't have to be a 10 on 10. Here's the back side. And here is your 10K stamp. All right. Now this is available, guys, on our website, blingcartel.com. Check us out, blingcartel.com. Thank you for watching. As always, you all have a good one.